Hello everyone, I'm Haris Hayat. I'm back with another very simple recipe that we're gonna cook. It's known as chicken kadai. This is how we make it at our homes in Peshawar, and that's the simplest dish you can ever make with very less ingredients and more taste you can get from the kadai. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the ingredients. The ingredients that we have is that we will be needing 1 kg of chicken. I usually prefer drumsticks because the meat in drumsticks is pretty soft and tender when it's cooked. Then we're gonna need 1 kg of our tomatoes. That is, I have chopped them and I have peeled them and chopped them. Then we're gonna need some green chilies and some fresh coriander, plus some salt. That is to taste. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start off by frying our chicken, and that is, we need some oil. We're gonna deep fry our chicken. We need the heat on high because if we put it on low, it's going to take a lot of time. Okay, so once the chicken is in, we're going to start cooking up our tomato puree. Okay, so for our tomato puree, all we need is just tomato puree and salt. So we can usually, I pre-cook the tomatoes before because it's a bit quicker way to make your kadai. That is, you can easily make it. So we're gonna put the tomatoes in half a cup of oil and just let it cook for some time. We're gonna get the lid for the pot so the tomatoes can get softened up quickly. Usually we serve it with a chutney, that is a walnut chutney. Once we're done with this, I'm going to tell you the recipe for our walnut chutney as well, and some fresh naan to serve with. It really goes good with the fresh naan. As you can see, the chicken is nice, light, golden brown on the outside. The tomatoes are almost done, so we're gonna lower down the heat. Okay, so now we're gonna add our chicken. Now we're gonna mix the chicken and the tomatoes and cook it for a little while. As we have chopped these green chilies earlier, we're gonna add these into the kadai. We're just gonna put the lid back on for just a minute or so that the chicken and tomatoes can infuse together properly. We're gonna put the heat on low. So as it is cooking, I'm gonna tell you about our walnut chutney. This is basically we call it what do you say, ghuzan, if you know ghuzan, that's known as walnut. So in Pashto we call it ghuzan. Ghuzan are really good for your health, and plus when it adds to the chutney, it is really nice. So the ingredients for this chutney are, that is, we need 1 teaspoon of garlic, that is we properly minced. Then we need 1 tablespoon of anardana, 1 teaspoon, sorry, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 3 to 4 big walnuts, right? So we're gonna put all these things into the, what do you call that, is chatu watta in Punjabi, and we call it chatu kane. So once you put in that and you just isko kootte jaye till you get a proper paste, all the oils from the walnut comes out, and so it will be a paste like this. So once it is a paste, so we're just gonna add, it is done, and then we can add the yogurt to it. So we're gonna check up on our chicken, sorry. chicken we're gonna add salt. Salt is to taste. Usually our chicken kadais are known as namkeen kadai here in Punjab, so we put in a lot of salt, right? So it is up to you. Some people like salt, some people don't, but we in Peshawar really love salt. We put salt on almost everything, even our chicken tikkas and mutton tikkas, they have only salt over it. So we're gonna chop up some fresh coriander for the garnishing. We usually serve it in the kadai. We don't need another serving dish. Best serve with the kadai. It stays warm, looks good. So you're gonna turn off the heat because our chicken kadai is done. We're gonna garnish it with fresh coriander, and our chicken kadai is done. So as I told you the ingredients before, that was walnut, salt, red chili flakes, anardana, and some garlic. Okay, so you get 1 cup of yogurt, and this is the chutney masala, whatever you call it. You're gonna add this up. We need a fork so we can whisk our chutney. It's gonna take some time, but slowly and gradually you can mix it because of the oils in the walnut. It sticks together, so mixing it takes a little bit of time. Okay, so we're done with our chutney. Thank you for watching this video, and please do try it, do make it, and go to our YouTube channel oneplatter.com. Do really like it. Do check out other videos as well. They're some pretty simple recipes. This is easy, nice. You can make it in just half an hour or 45 minutes max, and you can serve it for your friends, family, or in any good parties. That is, we have desi dishes in it, so you can serve them together with some hot naans and really do enjoy your food. Have fun. Thank you. Take care. Bye.